Check out this pre-owned 2008 Ford Mustang GT Deluxe. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include: appearance package, MP3 player, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, traction control, and power windows.